Oh yeah, so basically what you want to do is you want to allow the grounds to slowly come down, not to the bottom though so they become dry. Otherwise, when you're heating those grounds back up, you're going to have some off flavours and defects in that.
Wagwan people, this is Chris from Drypped Coffee.
And it's Jack, aka Captain Sexy.
So today we're going to be doing a V60. The equipment you're going to be needing, obviously the V60 dripper, the decanter, over 300 mils as per fucking usual. Oh, you're going to need some scales, a timer, a gooseneck kettle, some V60 papers, and a Genghis. Now, what coffee are we using today, my man?
Ha! Now let me tell you about this one.
Tell me about this one.
This is all the way from Costa Rica. Now let me give you some tasting notes. Yeah, you're ready. You're not even ready. You're not even ready. Let me hit you with this chocolate liqueur. We've got some blood orange in there.
Oh my god.
And we've got some brown sugar. Just take it. Let me take a whiff. Get that in there. Just to let you guys know as well that this is a percolation brew. So basically, the coffee isn't extracting with the water. Boom, bada, boom, boom, boom.
All right, my man. Today we're going to be using 16.5 grams with 214 mils of water. So that should be a 6.8% of coffee to water. But without further ado, let's talk you more sexy.
Let's get into this.
All right.
Alright then, so now you've got the V60 paper here, gonna do some origami. You got the seam there, just fold that over and give it a little flick to the side. Open that bitch up and you're gonna put that in the V60 dripper itself.
Now what you want to do, you want to take your kettle and you want to heat up those apparatus. Getting the apparatus nice and wet.
Get that
and watch how
warmed up.
Chris is doing the merry-go-round for me. Here we
Swear
go.
down. Now you're gonna get that all warm, you're gonna dash that shit all over the floor. Bring it back. Get yourself the scales and tar them shit off.
And then you're going to want to take your coffee and insert it directly into the center.
That's it, and Chris is already fucked up. He's got the coffee up the side, but that's okay. We'll ignore that for now.
Well done, waste man.
And make sure you're gonna
Give a little tap, making sure those grounds are evenly distributed, lad.
give a little tap. Now he's gonna finger bang that shit, and you are not gonna lick your finger.
You know what, actually, man? Don't lick your finger.
And look at him, you know he fucked up.
Nah, man, he was about to produce pure sexiness from that.
Corona.
Bitch, I am Corona.
Okay. Right now, so you're gonna get your gooseneck kettle, take the top off, and insert right into the middle of that insertion hole that you have there when you finger bang that shit.
And then basically you're going to pour up to 30 mils.
For a 30-second bloom.
Exactly. Releasing that CO2 into the air. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Afterwards, the Jack's going to take that kettle and then he's going to pour to 100 grams. Or mils. Whichever one.
Mils. Let's say mils because it is water after all.
Yeah, I know, but you're pouring into grams.
Swear down.
Way down.
Now look carefully at the coffee there. You can see all of the crema coming up at the top there. That's the CO2 being released, and a little bit more sugar's being released as well, thanks to your 30-second bloom.
Oh yeah, so basically what you want to do is you want to allow the grounds to slowly come down, not to the bottom though so they become dry. Otherwise, when you're heating those grounds back up, you're going to have some off flavours and defects in that.
Next pour, 170 mils. Now when you pour here again, you start from the middle, but if you have any coffee up the sides of the V60 paper itself, just push them gently back into the middle there like Jack did. Nice swirling action here.
So with the swirling motion, basically just going to create some balance into the flavours.
Some consistency. So we just finished our 170 pour there. Next one will be up to 240, your final and third pour. Just wait until the coffee lowers down just before it hits the bottom there. Alright, last pour. Let's see if Jack hits the numbers right on this bitch.
Of course he does. He's a genius.
Proof is in the pudding.
Here we go.
Look at him push them grinds back in. Oh, such precision.
Oh my god.
Bro, it makes me wet.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Here we go.
Here goes 240.
Oh, not just yet.
Gonna hit them numbers
no,
right.
No, wait. Now
teasing.
zipping. Oh! Call me Houdini. Yes. Stay there. Give it
A celebratory dance.
Celebrate. Yes, damn right.
Give me some of that. Alright, and that, guys, is how you make a V60. You're going to be aiming for around 2.5-3 minutes, which will tell you pretty much that you've got around the right recipe. And if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you get all the notifications of our new videos.
And of course, guys, stay drippy, and we'll catch you on the next brew.
Boom.